Former Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo says Senator Chis Escudero and former Senators Bong Revilla and Nancy Binay allegedly received kickbacks from government flood control projects. Bernardo made the claims during a Senate hearing, his first appearance as a witness. He alleges he personally delivered 160 million pesos or 20% of 800 million pesos worth of government projects to Maynard Ngu, a friend and campaign donor of Escudero, reportedly on the senator's behalf. Ngu was one of the top donors of Escudero, donating 30 million pesos to his campaign in 2022.
I would like to add that deliveries of cash were personally made to me, by me, to Maynard Ngu at his office in Manila.
He also confirms the previous testimony implicating former Senator Bong Revilla, saying he met Revilla in Makati in 2024 where he handed him a list of projects provided by former DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara.
Senator Revilla asked for a commitment, which I suggested, then he approved at 25% of the total amount of the projects indicated in the list here to attach as Annex C.
In Binay's case, Bernardo says that in 2024, her staff member Carlene Villa allegedly contacted him to request a 15% commitment for the former senator.
I relate the 15% commitment to Engineer Alcantara. Engineer Alcantara collected 15% commitment or about 37 million which was turned over to me and which I then delivered to Senator Binay at a house in Quezon City.
Escudero vehemently denies the allegations. Meantime, in a statement, Binay denies Bernardo's allegations. Divina Law, which represents Revilla, says in a statement, Bernardo's allegations are absolutely untrue.